Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, I would like for you to know that Shopify's default payment gateway is Shopify Payments. Alright, and is powered by Stripe. So consequently, adding Stripe as a standalone third-party provider depends on your country. So for example, you are from an unsupported country, just like here from the Philippines. Okay, Stripe is not available. But if your country supports Shopify Payments or Stripe, well, you can just go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left. Now, just wait for it to load. Now click on Payments. And then at the very top, you'll have Stripe or activate Shopify Payments. And once that's done, just follow simple prompts and you're good to go. Now, if Shopify Payments is not available in your country, well, just go ahead over to add a provider right here under additional payment providers. Okay, you're going to find, and then we're going to click on search by provider. Now just find Stripe. Okay, now if it's not available right here, just go ahead and go back to payments. Now at the very top, just click on it. Now let's go ahead and change the provider right here. Find Stripe if it's available. And then once done, if you have it in here, just click on it and just click on activate. And then you'll be redirected to the Stripe login and the authorization page. Then just go ahead and connect your store. Follow simple prompts, basically. And after that, you're good to go. And that is how you add Stripe to Shopify. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.